Rule number 3 on how to manifest massive sexual attraction. This one's making me blush. Hello friends, this is Andrea Schulman again, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how to manifest massive sexual attraction. Yes, how to draw them to you like moths to a flame. Now, if you're interested to watch today's video, please give it a thumbs up right now, and let's go ahead and jump on in. Now, as we're going along here, if you have any great stories about manifesting someone's interest, make sure to go ahead and drop them below in the comments because it helps other people to see kind of how this process works. But I'm going to give you some of my top tips. Rule number 1 to manifest massive sexual attraction is a very simple philosophy. I like you, but I don't need you. Or, I like you, but I'm good on my own. That's a mantra you want to start practicing every time you're around somebody who you like. You want to shine a light on that person that says, I like you, while simultaneously shining a light back on yourself that I'm good as I am. This is a very important facet of manifesting sexual attraction that people usually botch up entirely. On the one hand, you get people who play super hard to get, and they try to put off a message that says, I don't like you. Or they like to pretend like they're too cool to like the other person. And this is problematic because through the law of attraction, you're going to generate what you put out. And so if you want people to like you, you have to shine a light on them that says, I like you. Okay, it has to be done. You can't just go hide in the corner or pretend that you don't like them or just be mean to them. You have to shine that light on them that you like them so that they'll shine it back on you. But you also, just as equally, have to be firm in a sense of, I'm good on my own, I don't need you. And this is the other problem people often have with manifesting sexual attraction, is that they're shining, I like you, I like you, I like you, I need you, I need you, I need you. And need, we never want to project need. Need is a sign of attachment. And with the law of attraction, you want to stay detached. You want to put out what you want and let it go. Let it come to you. And I need you, I need you, I need you is clinging, and it has the exact opposite effect of what you're intending. If you want to draw someone in, please understand that you're wanting to magnetize them. You're not trying to strangle them and drag them in towards you. And we all understand that dynamic, that when someone tries to control you, tries to hold you down, tries to rope you in, tries to manipulate you, it makes you want to push back. It makes you want to get away and run away. And so we do not want to be projecting that on anybody. We want to be very firm in, I like you and I'm good on my own. That's the right balance. That's going to let people know that they can be magnetized towards you and they're going to be drawn to you and they're actually going to want to come to you. They're not going to feel forced to do so. All right, rule number 2 on how to manifest massive sexual attraction is another kind of mantra. And I like to think of it as, I think you're hot and I think I'm hot. Okay? I think you're hot and I think I'm hot. Again, what you project on somebody, they're going to mirror back on you. Okay, so we want to be projecting not just I like you, but that I am sexually interested in you, or, I find you attractive. But you also equally want to be projecting that same way of thinking on yourself. A lot of times what people are doing is they're projecting, I think you're really hot, but I think I'm so ugly. I'm so out of your league. And so what ends up happening is that that person grows further on the pedestal above you because that's the energy that you're projecting. This person's better than me, better than me, better than me. We don't want that. We want there to be an attraction where we're both coming together. And so you want to project on the person that you think that they're hot, you think that they're sexually attractive, and you also think you're sexually attractive. Now, some people are not in the habit of noticing their own sexual attractiveness. They're not in the habit of thinking of themselves as hot or good looking or attractive. And if that's where you're at, you really want to spend some time developing that sense within yourself. What about you is sensual? What about you is attractive? What features of yours really pop? What clothing makes you look really good? What movements really look good on you? Start to notice what about you is sexually attractive. Focus on it and you'll start to notice that you develop more of a sense of sexuality about yourself. You will move more in a sexually attractive way. You will draw attention to more of the sexually attractive aspects of yourself. But where attention goes, energy flows with the law of attraction. So if you want to attract people on a sexual level, you have to start to look at yourself as a sexual being, a sexually attractive being. That's absolutely critical. And it's okay if you've been an ugly duckling up until now. I promise you, this can absolutely be done. It has nothing to do with where you came from. It only has to do with what am I focused on now? Chances are, if you've been the ugly duckling your whole life, you've been telling yourself your whole life that you're the ugly duckling. And so you're manifesting that into your reality. Start to focus instead on how am I attractive? How do I look good? How am I a sexually attractive person? You will draw energy into those aspects of yourself and you will radiate them out into the outer world. Hey, if you are enjoying today's video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, what else? Comment, all that good stuff, because it really does help promote my work here on this platform, and I sincerely do appreciate it. Rule number 3 on how to manifest massive sexual attraction. This one's making me blush. Visualize it. You know what I mean? Visualize. Visualize it. If there's somebody that you're interested in, visualizing an encounter with that person is going to help magnetize that person very quickly. Now, you don't want to be creepy about it and be staring the person down and, being weird about it, but just imagining certain things going on when you're near that person, when you're around that person. Don't stare them down, but just allow your mind to kind of go there. You're really going to start projecting that sexually attractive energy that ropes people in. This one's crazy strong, so use it sparingly at first, but it really does work, so try it out. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, you will probably also enjoy another video that I've made entitled How to Make Them Beg for Your Attention. That's a really crazy title, but it's a good video. You'll probably like it. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop that one below in the description as well if you'd like to watch it next. All right, now rule number 4 on how to manifest massive sexual attraction is to always be moving the needle forward. Move the needle forward. And when I say move the needle forward, I mean like a step. You do not want to bombard people and push them too far. But let's say that you have a conversation with a person that you like. Take it one step further. So maybe say one more nice complimentary thing, or maybe reach out to them a little bit sooner next time. Maybe make plans with them. Whatever is the next step forward, just keep taking that. Now, take it and then wait for the next interaction. Okay, so you don't want to just be pushing. But if there was a guy who was interested in me and, he was calling me, right? After the conversation was done, I might reach out to him next. Send him a friendly text, but I would move the needle forward one more step, okay? This is important because it harnesses the law of attraction momentum. If you want to develop a sexual relationship that's moving forward, you have to keep putting gas on that. And so always want to be taking the next step. You do not need to take all of the steps today. A text message can be a step, but always be asking yourself, how can I take this great interaction with this person I find very attractive and move the needle one step further? This is really great for amplifying momentum towards that attraction that you seek. And if you are new to my work here, I would love to invite you to take my law of attraction test. If you would like to see how your thoughts create your reality, I've designed a very quick 5-minute test to show you just how to do it so you can put something out and see it come back to you. And to take that test now, please go ahead and look below in the description for a link. I also have down there a list of body manifesting tips. So if you want to get in great shape, look really hot, have a great body, a great set of tips for you to look at there. That's absolutely free. And again, it is below in the description. Thanks so much for watching today's video on how to manifest massive sexual attraction. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. And of course, I look forward to bringing you another one soon. Bye-bye.